All right, I'm going to go ahead and split this one up into a couple different videos, probably one for each page. This is your week 2 word work. On Monday, the first day, day 1 we'll just call it, you're going to work on short E, short I, and short O. Now, we have to read the instructions because we are looking for 3 different letters. So this one might be a little bit trickier. You're going to underline the words that have short E. So short E, you're going to underline. Like egg, You kind of smile when you say E, egg. Circle the words with the short O, like on. Oh, and we're not looking for short I on this one. So let's see, we're circling short O, like on, on. Short I must be on page 2. Let's peek. Yep, short I is on page 2, day 2. All right, so you're just focusing on short E. You're going to underline those. And short O, you're going to circle those ones. Remember, it tells you that there are 15 short E and 12 short O. The title counts. All right, I'm going to read this aloud, and you can pause at any time. I'm going to look for short E first. Then you'll want to replay this video and look for short O. Miss Jill worked at the school's front desk. Short E, desk. I'm smiling when I say that. I'm going to underline it. One of her jobs was to welcome guests. So I gave you the first one. I'm not going to give you any more though. You can do this. She also helped if students tripped while they were skipping down the hallway. One time she helped me untie a knot on my shoe. She never yelled even if students made a mess. Again, you're looking for short E, that sound. Miss Jill did her job really well, but today she felt ill. Her skin was hot and her hands were sweaty. She wondered how long she would have to sit and wished that she could stop the throbbing pain in her head. Miss Jill looked at the clock and realized that it was still too early to quit. She decided to ask Mr. Bill for a pain pill. Mr. Bill lived a block away in a beautiful house with a pond where ducks liked to swim, and plants grew between the rocks. His garden was filled with bird nests. Mr. Bill was in his shed at the back getting clippers to trim his hedges. He had just stepped out when he heard the phone ring. Yes, Miss Jill, I will bring you the pill. Let me put on my socks and clip on my tie. I'll be right by. What a thrill it was for Miss Jill. Soon she wouldn't feel ill. All right, so you were to look for 15 short E's and then replay the video so you can look for short O. When you're done with short O, remember day 2 has short I. So this video right here is of me reading this text. You can replay it as many times as you need to look for all 3 letters.